Hi guys, it's Nicole and welcome to my reborn baby nursery. We have Jace, Colette, Harper, and Robin. And we can't forget the naughty Nanny McBee. Welcome to my nursery. Hey guys, so what brings me here today? Well, we are doing a very simple giveaway. Okay, so this is what we are going to do, guys. It's going to be a simple giveaway for a simple prize. But a giveaway nonetheless, and giveaways are always fun because, hey, it's free stuff. So this is what the giveaway entitles. All you have to do is pick a number between 1 and 100. Not multiple guesses, only one entry. Just put your number below. Make sure that your number hasn't already been picked and have fun with it. So a number between 1 and 100. This giveaway will go till this Friday. And the number has already been selected by me right there in that card. So Harper is going to keep guard over that card until the giveaway is over. And what is the prize, you may all be wondering? A 2-piece Gerber 0 to 3 month zipped sleeper with a puppy dog. And get a close-up of him. Sweet. Very cute. You know how we love dogs around here. And another sleeper that comes with it with the matching puppy dogs. And they're both zippers. Yay! Boo for snaps. But hey, this one only has one, so we'll let it pass. So anyways, guys, that is as simple as it gets. There are a few rules, and those rules are you must be 18 years of age or older. It's such a simple giveaway that I don't want to have to worry about getting parents' permission to mail you something or enter the giveaway or anything like that. And you must live in the U.S. Like I said, because it is a simple giveaway, we're just going to keep it really simple. That is the word of the day, simple. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing the babies. Have fun with it, and we'll talk later. So if you'd like to see more of my babies in my nursery, like and subscribe. Take care, God bless, and love you all.